how to change your privacy setting on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to change your privacy settings on Facebook. Open up your Facebook and then make sure you're logged into your account. In the main tab, tap the menu button below, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. In here, scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Now adjust here the privacy that you want. For example, you want to adjust on how other people can send you friend requests. Then simply tap the option How People Find and Contact You, and then tap the button beside Who Can Send You Friend Requests and adjust it based on your liking. Explore the settings here and adjust it to however you like. That's how easy you can change your privacy settings on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.